Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The 16 finalists in the Miss Jamaica World 2018 competition were officially sashed on Saturday at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston. The ladies sashayed in their white cocktail dresses before they were sashed by their respective sponsors. The occasion also saw singer Girl performing to an appreciative audience. This year will see changes to the competition as the swimsuit category will be eliminated. Contestants will, however, compete in the Miss Jamaica World Beauty with a Purpose fast track event. There are also fitness, model talent, and beach beauty competitions. This year will also see the introduction of the Golden Scissors Award to be presented to the local designer deemed to have created the best gown on Coronation Night. E-Prime spoke with Miss Jamaica World director Aston Cook, who shared how important it is for the contestants to epitomize the mantra, beauty with a purpose.
The Miss World organization's mantra, beauty with a purpose, is not just a mantra, but I think it's a way of life, and Miss World is seeking to find the very best ambassador for its charities worldwide. So in Jamaica, we want to select a young lady that can represent Jamaica, and really a young lady with a passion for service and a love of country, and that to us is what we call My Jamaican Woman, MJW, Miss Jamaica World 2018.
The grand coronation is set for September 1 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel's ballroom. A special tribute for veteran radio personality Ralston McKenzie was held yesterday at the RJ Arglina Communications Group. The event was filled with fun, food, and laughter as members of the RJ Arglina family celebrated Ralston McKenzie's 48 years of exceptional service to broadcasting and over 35 years as an anchor of the award-winning community program Sunday Contact. RJ Arglina Communications Group Managing Director Gary Allen recognized the veteran broadcaster for maintaining a high professional standard.
Ralston is one of the few, and probably I can count on one hand, one of the few remaining genuine broadcasters on radio in Jamaica.
Ralston expressed his gratitude for the recognition.
I'm speechless. I am normally a very sort of you wouldn't believe it, a kind of a shy person when it comes to receiving, you know, this kind of yes. But I'm overwhelmed, really. I never knew that, you know, so many of you beautiful people felt so, you know, kindly and touched by my interaction with you. I always say that people are the most important factor in the human story.
The radio program Sunday Contact has been of profound value as it has created a valuable platform to assist persons to connect with their loved ones in Jamaica and across the globe. Congratulations to Ralston. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.